Are you overwhelmed with data and uncertain how to use it? You need a solution to streamline your reporting. Introducing Keap, your all-in-one small business CRM. It transforms data into actionable insights for smarter decisions. Benefit 1, save time and focus on what matters. Keap reminds you who to follow up with and when. Benefit 2, gain clarity with pre-built reports. Track engagement and campaign performance easily. Benefit 3, optimize your sales strategy. Access key metrics and forecast payments, ensuring growth. Keap stands out with its seamless integration with Graphly for stunning data visualizations. This way, understanding your performance is easier than ever. Sign up today for a 14-day free trial, with no credit card required. Take control of your business insights and drive your growth now.